Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rina, and today I wanted to show you one of my Instagram looks that I made inspired by one of Facechart's. So I start with eye primer, and today we are going to use a Zoeva Natural Yours palette and just apply lightest eyeshadow that you need. And then I take black eye pencil, you may use whenever you want, and just draw something like eyeliner. We will blend it really well. So yeah. First I blend it without anything, just with clean brush. And then we will apply black eyeshadow. You may also take clean brush just to blend it inside your eye, and take glitter or pigments. I used something like silver pigments with glitter, just a little bit, and apply it with your brush or something on your eye. Then I use highlighter from Slick and just a little bit of mascara. And yeah, my favorite palette for brows just looks so empty now, to be honest. And here comes time for contouring your face. So yeah, today I used Catrice palette. It's quite nice, as you may see. And blush from NYX. And that was all for today. It was really simple, really fast, so I really hope you liked it. And maybe you want to see something like more, maybe you want to see all makeup without, like making it shorter and shorter. So yeah, just let me know, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.